at your face, I see you exhausted. No, cause your nigga be boring. Look in your eyes, it's making me nauseous. Baby girl, why you so flawless? Say what you want, you know that I'm on it. But she gon' laugh, it's me that you callin'. Show you it's different out here, you enjoy it. Yeah, he is.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a new vlog. So I have some things that are like loosely planned today, not anything that's like, oh, set in stone. I have things that I want to do and I'm gonna try my best to do them on time. If you're new here, new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok at gracemagerz. All my social media platforms have the same name, so if you know one, you know them all.
Kwa DM wamechrome. Ask my ex I'm toxic cause ni acha jua he bone. Ask my ex I'm toxic cause ni acha jua he bone.
Let's pause for the sun. Pause for the sun. You guys see that lizard? We have these. I don't know what kind of lizard they are, but honestly I've never been this close to one without it running away. Hi. Nah, I'm scared of animals, so okay, don't come for me. I already know this is my sister. She thinks she's so cool. Ah, this is definitely her. Me and my sister are heading to the beach. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, my full outfit when I get there, and also my bathing suit, all of that. So yeah, stay tuned, stay tuned. I take my knife from bar. We just made it to the beach. We're chilling right now. I think they should be giving us a menu soon because I want to eat first, and the water's not even in, so I want to eat. It's around lunchtime, around 11ish, so yeah. Thank you.
Babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees. Anadai kuhang na team, anadai kuhang juu gang ina win. Juu mini star ka JB and per head no brainer. Tali yake anampa stress. Anateta ni mlaina. Babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees. Anadai kuhang na team, anadai kuhang juu gang ina win. Yo. Tano nane Kia kwa nini kesho Yo mini star KJB and per head no brainer. Tali yake anampa stress. Anateta ni mlaina. Babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees. Anadai kuhang na team, anadai kuhang juu gang ina win. Juu mini star KJB and per head no brainer. Tali yake anampa stress. Anateta ni mlaina. Babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees. Anadai kuhang na team, anadai kuhang juu gang ina win. Babi lakini anatekwa na chrome. Hama hose kwa DM wamechrome. Ask my ex I'm toxic cause ni acha jua he bone. Ask my ex I'm toxic cause ni acha jua he bone. Yo.
So they just came with our food. Let me show you guys what it looks like really fast.
I didn't see him wananipenda juu ya fame. Najua these souls don't love me. Nenda super greasy mode. Ni mareka mabukati. Juu mini star KJB and per head no brainer. Tali yake anampa stress. Anateta ni mlaina. Babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees. Anadai kuhang na team, anadai kuhang juu gang ina win. Juu mini star KJB and per head no brainer. Tali yake anampa stress. Anateta ni mlaina. Babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees. Anadai kuhang na team, anadai kuhang juu gang ina win.
Eje unaklimumpo anapria na go na knees. Anapenda kupelekwa out azina, anapenda matreat. Kimuliza anapenda makeks, kimuliza anapenda macream.
So I've been cooking some egusi. That's why you guys haven't really seen me, but I'm gonna have to change because I cannot wear this to where I'm going. Outfit check again. You guys might have seen this outfit on my Shein haul. I did wear this outfit. This was one of the two-piece sets. So yeah, you guys can check out that video. And Instagram pictures are coming soon. My sister took my pictures at the beach, so stay tuned. I low-key want to do eyeliner, but I don't know. Sijui. All done, and we're gonna be on our way going. I'll take you guys with me again.
Anateta ni mlaina babi kila sana ni cheki ana pria na go na knees anadai kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang ina win. Yo 5-8 kia kwa nini kesho yo jumini star KJB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa stress anateta ni
the next day.
Okay guys, so today is Sunday in the vlog. Me and my sister just got finished shooting like a little YouTube video which will be coming out eventually. Ooh, excuse me. Which will be coming out eventually. So stay tuned for that. We're getting ready because we're going to go out to eat and we gotta pick out some outfits, you know, get ready, all of that. So yeah, if you're from the other video that I was filming, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, it is Sunday. Sunday the what? What day is it? The 19th? Sunday the 19th of June. Yeah, Sunday the 19th of June. And yeah. I have to braid my hair, guys, because I washed it, unbraided it, and I have not braided it to put it back in the wigs. So I'm gonna have to braid this, but I'm really not looking forward to it. I'm so lazy, guys. I want to do this before I get done. If I only get halfway done, we're gonna have to wait for it. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys back when I am sinuad, when I'm fed up.
Kimuliza anapenda ma creams and she always on the crib fine B anapenda kupiga ma pics. Oh boy catch my feelings mpo wake ana roll na team amechoka kubawa mapiza nataka nimuoneshe hii life ya east anasema my friends indeed sometimes anadai kunikiss anasema my friends indeed sometimes anadai kunikiss.
It just rained this morning, but it looks absolutely beautiful. The sun is shining, the green plants, I love it.
B-boy sits in my don Junior and QL Chapo. Like it or not, ngoma zetu ziko on repeat. Tunachafua hizi mashoto boy tunawacha waki sweep. Sitko fresh kama daily milk. Ni aluta kibiriti, ni mastim na matopa ting.
Jumini star KJB and per head no brainer.
Okay, we just got to the place. I don't know this plaza, what it's called. I think it might be Nyali Playhouse. If you guys know the name of it, put it in the comments down below. But we got to the plaza. We're about to go to Lee's Chinese restaurant. That's where we're having our lunch.
Yo 5-8 kia kwa nini kesho yo jumini star KJB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa stress anateta ni mlaina babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees anadai kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang ina win jumini star KJB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa stress anateta ni mlaina babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees anadai kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang ina win babi lakini anatekwa na chrome Hama hose kwa DM wamechrome. Ask my ex I'm toxic kezi ni acha jua he bone. Ask my ex I'm toxic kezi ni acha jua he bone. Yo 24/7 studio na rap. Bitches keep blowing my DM from AM to PM sometimes you mark like I didn't see him. Wananipenda juu ya fame na jua these souls don't love me. Nenda super greasy mode ni mareka mabukati. Jumini star KJB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa stress anateta ni mlaina babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees anadai kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang ina win juu mi ni star ka JB and per head no
Okay, we just got to our table. We're about to look through the menu, see what we want, stuff like that, and then we're gonna get to
anadai kuhang juu gang ina win
AJ unaklimumpo anapria anago na knees anapenda kupelekwa out azin anapenda matreat kimuliza anapenda macakes kimuliza anapenda macreams and she always on the crib fine B anapenda kupiga mapics oh boy amecatch my feelings mpo wake anaroll na team amechoka kuboya mapizza nataka nimuoneshe hii life ya east anasema my friends indeed sometimes anadai kunikiss anasema my friends indeed sometimes anadai kunikiss every day tunakuanga ma med strictly easy track ni ma overdose wanauliza wana ask ni nini ni wapoa tume overload nimeball drip zangu it's so low Mr. Copado B-boy sis in my don Junior and QL Chapo like it or not.
Okay, we just got finished at the restaurants. Now we are in Yali Center. We're gonna go to Naivas really fast. So we have to go get some stuff and then we'll be out. And I think we're gonna go to City Mall, I think, if I'm not wrong. Actually, I think we should probably get this. Why? Because of how much we use it. When we do the cake, all of that. And look at how much this one is. And then this. They what? What's zumbuli? What's zumbuli? Songo. Okay, so basically because we use margarine, butter so often, we decided to get this one. This whole tub. Look at these chicken wings that we found. They're just out in the open in this vacuum sealed bag. It looks like a toy.
gang ina win babi lakini anatekwa na chrome kama hose kwa DM wamechrome asma x I'm toxic kezi ni acha jua hii bone asma x I'm toxic kezi ni acha jua hii bone yo 24/7 studio na rap bitches keep blowing my DM from AM to PM sometimes you mark like I didn't see him wananipenda juu ya fame na jua these souls don't love me nenda super greasy mode ni mareka mabukati juu mi ni star ka JB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa stress anateta ni mbeina babi kila sana ni cheki na pria na go na knees anadai kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang ina win juu mi ni star ka JB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa.
What's this one? What's something else?
Something else?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Love picture?
No. I don't want those ones. I think the gummy worms. Yeah.
Anasema my friends indeed sometimes anadai kunikiss anasema my friends indeed sometimes anadai kunikiss every day tunakuanga ma med strictly easy track ni ma overdose wanauliza wana ask ni nini ni wapoa tume overload nimeball drip zangu it's so low Mr. Copado B-boy sis in my don Junior and QL Chapo like it or not ngoma zetu ziko on repeat tunachafua hizi mashoto boy tunawacha waki sweep sitko fresh kama daily.
Now I have to get my own ice cream because my sister didn't get me one. So I have to get it myself. But so many options. What do I choose?
Kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang ina win juu mi ni star ka JB and per head no brainer tali yake anampa stress.
This one is my favorite. That's the one I normally get. Actually, this or Dairyland, but Dairyland is huge. So I'm thinking. Okay, they only have the Dairy. Okay, that one's too small for me. But they only have the Dairyland ones in the small packages. So yeah, getting this one.
anateta ni mlaina babi kila sana ni cheki ana pria na go na knees anadai kuhang na team anadai kuhang juu gang na win babi lakini anatekwa na chrome hama hose kwa DM wame chrome as my ex I'm toxic cause ni acha jahibu.
Look at your face, I see you exhausted. Look at your nigga be born. Look in your eyes, it's making me nauseous. Baby girl, why you so flawless? Say what you want, you know that I'm on it. When she gon' laugh, it's me that you call her. Show you it's different, I heard you enjoy it. Yeah. Look at your face, I see you exhausted. Look at your nigga be born. Look in your eyes, it's making me nauseous. Baby girl, why you so flawless? Say what you want, you know that I'm on it. When she gon' laugh, it's me that you call her. Show you it's different, I heard you enjoy it. Yeah.